little bit hot.
Okay, let's cook.
Yay. We start cooking after Mom will come and eat.
What do you have in there that you're cooking?
Um,
What's in there?
I know.
Garlic,
Garlic,
onions,
onion,
garlic salt,
garlic salt,
pepper,
pepper,
and
salt.
one other secret seasoning that I can't say.
Maybe the garlic is almost done yet. It's like tastes good yet. A minute ago, we're almost done cooking. It's still a little bit hot. We need vegetables. The pan's hot. It's hard to cook with burst you.
What's in here?
Garlic, salt, pepper, salt, onions, and garlic.
And
Bless you.
And a special spice.
And special spice.
Okay,
That's right.
now we're going to add the next.
Yay!
All right.
Can I do it?
No, just a second.
I'm not doing the bottle of it. Yeah,
Okay, here we go.
thanks. Onion.
Shrimp.
Shrimp. The shrimp is nice and water. You got too much shrimp. I'll cook for you. Oh, the shrimp is almost done. Can I cook with you without the shrimp? Come on,
You can
Daddy.
cook with me.
Okay. I can cook the worm.
Okay, let's let it rest, and we'll turn the video off, and then we'll do another one later.
Oh,
Oh my gosh!
my spoon.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Can't use the spoon now. You have to go put it in the in the sink.
And think, it's all dirty. I keep dropping it and drop. I just want to drink my water after I'm done cooking.
You're a chef.
I'm still drinking my water. Yeah, it's much wet.
Did the policeman come yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was a police party. They just came around and seen how everybody was doing, saying that they're protecting our town. That was nice of them, huh?
Mhm.
Are you done?
Follow me.
Okay.